Hello YouTube watchers and subscribers. Guess where we are? We are at Heathrow Airport. It's very noisy. I don't know what's going on. Oh, it's the chap there putting all the trolleys onto that truck, making a racket at 6:20 in the morning. But here you are, guys. I am here at the Virgin Atlantic Stroke Delta terminal. Looks like they've got a whole terminal here. Look at this thing. Wow. Ooh. But yet, we're all checked in and got our boarding pass. Yep. So all we've got to do is drop the bags off and we're ready to go. So come along for the journey while we go to, we're going to the US of A, America. Yeah guys, but I'm not going to tell you where. So, come with us for the ride, let's go. Oh my days guys, they've got the same one that we saw in Thailand. They've got one at Heathrow now, look at that. Got a cleaner there, can you believe it? Hello guys, we're actually on the plane, Delta Airways, and it's got a small plane, up for 9 hours. Hey, we'll get into that. So we're just waiting to take off now. They're just getting ready to taxi, and we're just waiting to taxi. I must say the air hostesses are very friendly. So, you guys, we are out there. Also, I'd just like to say, most of the videoing I'll be doing will be with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, guys. Yeah, I bought the Galaxy Z Fold 7 with me to test out on my holiday, and yeah, I'm going to get quite a lot of footage. And I hope you like it, and I hope it turns out well. This will be a right test for it. And yeah, so I just thought I'd tell you a lot of this footage will be from the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Okay guys. Yeah guys, we're just at the immigration. As you can see there, the US Customs and Border Protection. And we are waiting one hell of a queue. It's getting easier now. So yeah, my first view of a Tesla Cybertruck. A black one, guys. Wow, I just got that. Can you believe it? Well guys, we are here. Here's the birthday girl. And munching on some Atlanta jerk chicken and rice and peas and Yazzie there.
Hi guys.
They've just arrived and they're tucking in.
For good food.
So happy birthday, sis. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Thank you guys.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sharon. Happy birthday to you. Hip hooray! Hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
I appreciate it. That's a surprise. Oh my God, I wasn't expecting that.
Sharon's cooked some breakfast here. Look at this, guys. We're going to be tucking into this. This is just for us, don't worry.
Oh, that's right.
Of course. Sharon just cooked up some.
You should have done it when I was doing it properly. It looks all brown stuff in the top. I'll clean the kitchen up here.
That's it there. I'm gonna tuck in now. Oh, hello guys. Hello mum, you alright? Right, let me get some Tabasco on there. I am in Walmart in the good old USA in Atlanta. And I just want to bring you guys some prices. Although the packages are bigger, they're damn expensive. Everywhere I look, these are like, obviously, Oreos, etc. I mean, yeah, the packages are much bigger, but you're looking at $4.88, $5.98. Everything I'm looking here is nearly $5, just shy of $5. And this is a Walmart. It's like it's Costco's or something, you know what I mean? Check out these prices, some well-known brands that we know and a lot that I don't know. I'm telling you, it's yeah, very, very different. And then they've got stuff which is a bit cheaper. That's $1.97 there for that one. I don't want to do the camera. $1.97, and look at that. If that's the correct one, that's quite big, isn't it? Chocolate chip. I think they are. Yeah, look, that's $1.97, say $2. So you can get reasonable priced stuff here, I'm telling you, with the mix of expensive. That's $1.97, great value, oatmeal cookies, etc. Right, let me turn it round and get my face out of it so you lot can see it properly. There you got Kinder there. So Belvita for a large box. We've got 12 there. So I don't want to block up anyway. So let's see how big this packet is. Wow, that's massive. Look at that. Belvita there. 12 packs for $8.48. So some of you might say that's not bad value because of the size. You are getting such a big size that it might be worth it. While maybe in the UK they still charge us a lot of money and they don't give us much. At least it costs a lot here with something. These are all like just snacks here, guys, biscuits, etc. Oh look, I think we know this one, Ritz here. So how much for the Ritz? They're different, there's no doubt about that. These ones here, $3.88 for kind of a size that we're used to. The smaller sizes, as you can see there, guys, $3.88. These are party sizes, which are $6, $5.98, $6 for the bigger versions. Again, is that good value for money? Because you're getting much more for your dollar. Even though it sounds a lot, you do get a lot. So yeah, guys, this is Walmart. Got a lot of savoury things here like nuts, etc. Oh, whole cashew nuts, that's $12.22 reduced to there. The cinnamon and brown sugar. That sounds really nice, doesn't it? Compared to the UK, the variety here is overhaul. Absolutely overhaul, guys. I didn't bring my microphone today, so whatever you're hearing, it's through the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7's microphone. Yeah, guys, I'm actually filming by the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. As I think mentioned to you before, I'm going to do a lot of my holiday vlog using the camera. So yeah, guys, that's it. That's what I'm doing. big boxes. I'm telling you. I think I've heard of this. Nature Valley, $10, etc.
You need like the waterproof?
15 bars. Really good, guys. Here, guys, have a look at some staple stuff here. These are 18 large white eggs, $4.37. I don't know what it is in pounds, so you lot can convert it at your leisure with your calculator. Yeah, guys, these are eggs compared to the UK. And okay, $1.72. That's about a quid or 6. So yeah, that's just over a quid. That's not bad value, is it? That one, I must say. But yeah, generally they're a bit more than that if you want a pack of. Okay, $3.72 for jumbo white eggs there. $4.88. I think that's the other one as well. So I must say, I don't know. Organic. Yeah, guys, so that is it. These are the eggs in the US of A. Hello, YouTube watchers and subscribers. We are in Target. Yeah, guys. I feel a little bit hoarse in the throat. I don't know whether it was from the plane, and I need something to suck on. I think some lozenges. Oh, here they are. Right, so these are the lozenges that I need for my throat. Have a look at the prices, guys. As you can see there. Let me move this up in a different corner. That's what I like about this Dual Record, or whatever they call it. I hope that I've got it right. On the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 Dual Record. And yeah, I just want some lozenges to relieve my throat. It's feeling a bit rough. Hope I'm not coming down with nothing. Yeah, so these are prices, guys, of stuff. That's baby stuff. I don't need that. So, yeah. Everything looks bigger. All the packs, look at that, guys. All the packs look so big compared to us in the UK. There's Vapor up there. How much for Vapor up? That's $6.49 just for that little bottle there, which is about the same size as what we've got in the UK. So that seems to be quite expensive to me. I'm not sure whether you lemon and mint, alpine, oral anesthetic. I think that's what I need, something to soothe my throat, to suck on. Everything is $4 something. Have you noticed something? Everything is $4, except this one, which is $1.79. I wonder what this is, though. Cherry. Throat drops. I don't like cherry. I don't like cherry stuff, so I'm not going to get that. So it looks like it's going to be a $4 job. Right, guys, I found my lozenges, what I'm going to get. The cheapest one that I found is $3.39, and it's this one, sore throat and cough. Hopefully that'll sort me out, because I'm not getting that one. Look at that. Have you ever seen that? Throat soothing drops, birthday cake flavor.